Imagine having a simple trading strategy, from your phone or computer, that gives you such high accuracy that 90% of your trades end up successful. Today, I'm not giving you dreams, and I'm not giving you complexity. I'm giving you a clear and easy method that works for beginners and professionals. Stay with me until the end, because this strategy can literally change your entire trading game. Add the fractal index. Go to the indicator settings and make the up color of red and down in green. When a green arrow appears below the price, it indicates a bullish signal, and you can enter a buy trade. On the other hand, when a red arrow appears above the price, it indicates a bearish signal, and you can enter a sell trade. This is how the fractal indicator works. It identifies swing highs and lows, helping traders spot potential reversal points in the market. Now I will enter deals in front of you and see for yourself the results of this strategy. I want you to watch this video until the end, to learn to successfully implement this strategy. A red arrow appeared at the top, indicating a bearish signal. In addition, this area is a round number zone, which provides extra confirmation for a downside move, so I decided to enter 2 sell trades. As you can see, the trade ended in profit. Now, I'll look for another entry point to take a new trade. If you want to level up your trading and catch opportunities like this, make sure to follow, because the best is yet to come.